So I started here about 15 years ago, and I was coming because I had terrible migraines every single day. They wouldn't stop. I think I kept the medication industry in business. I got my first adjustment and immediately the headaches were gone. Didn't have them after that. I kept coming back. I was getting, my regular adjustments. I love you guys. Everything's been great. I could feel that it was definitely a severe injury in my neck, and I knew that nothing was going to help me besides Pierce Clinic, and I wasn't going to get that immediate relief without you. So after the fall, my head was sideways, kind of tilted like this, and I could not put it up straight. I couldn't turn my head at all. I felt like it was frozen. Extreme pain everywhere. After the first adjustment, it was insane improvement. My head was straight. Pain in my back was almost better completely. I'm so happy to be here. I tell everybody I know about Pierce Clinic. I tell everybody that they need to get their upper cervical care done. Like, you don't realize what you don't know until you've done it. And it's been life-changing. I don't have headaches anymore. And then to go from not being able to even move my head to, I still have some shaking, but we're still, on our path to recovery. I'm sure you have the x-rays. You're welcome to include them, but you can see like my head is definitely not right. I'm grateful for you guys.